Today, we're going to review the VR apartment installation because there are some things that we can do better. Now, what had happened that brought me to this point and where we're at here with you watching is that this fell off the wall. Yeah. The satellite fell off the wall. Don't know if it's going to work anymore or not, but we're going to go through this process anyways, seeing that people have actually looked at that video and my previous video, that's the apartment install for the satellites, things like that, using the command strips. Now, these are not bad. These right here we've used around the house and around the apartment without any problems keeping everything up on the wall. Previously, if you watch the other video, it has the white ones. They're rated for a lower weight that is, and that is not the problem though. What the problem is that the strip came off of the back of the wooden what do you want to call it? Plate. We'll just call it a plate, okay? The wooden plate here. It came off the back of the wooden plate when I went to go adjust it higher. They weren't even, and I was having some tracking issues, things like that lately. So I thought I would just make sure that they're at the same height and redo the room scale and all that other good stuff. I'll put a link up here for the tutorial on how to do that, or will it be over here? Either side, it doesn't matter. It'll be up in one of the corners. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to put this in a pattern like this with some super glue holding these two strips on there. And like I was saying before, the problem is when I removed the command strips to put it up in a higher area and to try to take care of some tracking issues I was having. You just need a little bit in order to get the super glue to work. So that's all what we're going to use. We're going to put it all right here, right in the center. And down the line, if I need to or want to, I should be able to put a strip here or here if I feel uncomfortable. But like I was just saying a few minutes ago, we're very confident with these right here. The black strips actually are for 16 pounds. The ones that I used before, the white ones, those were, I believe, 8 pounds. So I have two sets of strips here that should easily hold, I would think, 32 pounds. So, you know. All right, I got that. We'll put this up on the wall. So we're gonna put this up now, and the approximate spot is about 10 inches from the ceiling to be exact with the other satellite. So let's put that up there now. I'll have my minions pick this up later. The beauty of this and having the super glue on the back of this is that it will stay on the back of the wooden plate I made here. And if I need to, I can swap out on the wall and place it wherever I want it, and without any damage to the wall. That's why this is a good solution for the apartment VR setup. Sorry about the pauses, but I'm trying to put some weight onto this so that it stays. Now, I've added a lovely assistant. That would be Sexy Tech. Could she please hand me the satellite and the power cable? All right, now I finally got things taken care of. I went and updated Windows, which is pretty damn stupid in the first place, to 20H2, and see, they don't like it either. But I was having problems. I had to revert back, and I thought I was going to be able to just get right back in and start running with it, but that was not the case. I actually had to download some other stuff to correct the problems. I believe 20H2 was creating or created when it updated. So let's just get into, as you can see here, I have the room scale set up, and let's do that. Yay, now I'm all set up. I should be able to play my VR. The trackers are still tracking rather well, so my satellite did survive the fall, even though it was still turned on. I keep them plugged in. I don't see why I shouldn't until that happened, but I believe I resolved the issue with the super glue on the back and letting the command strips do what they do usually on the wall. So there you have it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe as well as that bell, and this is Chris saying out. All right, let's see how well this looks. Whoa, yeah, it's staying right back here. Yay, that went very well for that. Okay, okay. Let's do that again. Okay. Okay, okay, yeah, all right, yeah, woo-hoo. Today, we're going to review the VR apartment installation. Today, we're going to review the VR installation for VR apartment installation. Get it through your thick skull, dumbass. Oh.